Science Olympiad is a competitive exam which conduct each year for the school students as well as college students. The Olympiads help the students to judge their academic progress by giving them a chance of competing with students from all over the country. And the students can judge themselves with the schools at city level, at zonal level and international level. And the participating students received a student performance report which helps them a detailed performance comparison. And Science Olympiad is conducted in 3 rounds. Then first round is toppers from class 1st to 12th will be awarded by a certificate plus medal at school level. And in second round, the topper from 5th to 12th class will be awarded by a certificate plus medal plus gift at the state level. And the finalist topper from 9th to 12th class will be awarded by certificate plus medal plus gift plus cash at regional level. So this is the theory of Science Olympiad. Now we will discuss on the benefit of Science Olympiad for the students. Students preparing for this exam develop their better reasoning and logical thinking, skill to use in their future. जो स्टूडेंट्स ओलंपियाड एग्जाम्स की प्रिपरेशन करते हैं उनकी लॉजिकल थिंकिंग, उनकी रीजनिंग इतनी अच्छी हो जाती है कि वो किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में आसानी से पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं और उसको क्लियर भी कर सकते हैं. देन द साइंस ओलंपियाड फोकस ऑन सेटिंग क्वेश्चंस based on multiple concepts in a challenging manner, and the aspirants will be motivated and feel the urge to solve the questions within a restricted given period. मतलब जो स्टूडेंट्स ओलंपियाड एग्जाम्स की प्रिपरेशन करते हैं या उनका एग्ज़ाम देते हैं, उनकी जो एबिलिटी होती है वो इतनी हो जाती है कि वो एक गिवन पीरियड में उतने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकते हैं जितने कि उस एग्जाम में दिए हुए हों. देन द स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 1st to 12th will find a series of questions to be answered within 60 minutes, and the students who prepare for this exam will make a more skilled in analytical thinking and logical thinking. And our students will be able to develop a deeper knowledge or deeper understanding of the various concepts. After over that a normal level, he and she will proceed further by giving encourage to learn more.